Sharpies are one of my favorite tools. Cheap, reliable. I use them to take notes and to do the diagrams that you see in my videos. But I never use them to draw. So let's do it now. I think I will do some quick 1-minute gesture drawings. This is what I'm practicing right now, so sit back, relax, and watch me draw. Or follow along if you want. I will put the timer and the reference right on screen. And actually using a tool like a marker is a great idea because it forces you not to focus so much on details. I wanted to use this video also to let you know that I just created a free Discord community specifically for gesture drawing and figure drawing, where you can exchange feedback, ask questions, and practice together these important fundamentals. I will leave the link in the first line of the description, so if you want, you are more than welcome.